When you hear artificial intelligence, forget killer robots, think super smart digital brains. AI learns from data, spots patterns, and makes decisions faster than any human. It's why Netflix knows your next binge before you do. Algorithms, they're just recipes. Step-by-step instructions for computers. But when AI writes its own recipe, it adapts on the fly. In crypto trading, AI doesn't just follow buy low, sell high. It figures out what low and high even mean in real time. Humans get tired, emotional, and make mistakes. AI doesn't panic or get FOMO. It just crunches numbers, 24/7. It analyzes millions of data points, prices, news, social media, and acts instantly. Imagine a Wall Street genius who never sleeps, working for you. This isn't sci-fi. Hedge funds and banks already use AI in traditional markets. But crypto is different. It's global, wild, and never closes. No human can keep up with that pace. AI bots never sleep. They're always watching, always ready. They turn crypto's chaos into opportunity. The digital brain becomes a money-making machine. This is the new frontier of finance. The question isn't if you'll use AI in trading, it's when. The future is here, and it's algorithmic. Welcome to the age of digital money brains. In crypto, speed is everything. A price can change in a microsecond. By the time you react, the opportunity is gone. AI trades in millionths of a second, spotting and seizing chances before you even blink. It's like a superhero at a concert, already wearing the t-shirt before you see it thrown. AI exploits tiny price differences between exchanges, arbitrage, making money in fractions of a second. But it's not just fast, it's logical. While humans panic, AI cross-references data, ignores emotion, and finds the real opportunity. It can make thousands of micro-trades a minute, turning pennies into real profit. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. AI enables strategies humans can't even attempt. It's the difference between finding a dollar and having a machine that finds a million pennies instantly. AI is transforming trading from guesswork to science. The game has changed, and AI is the new player to beat. Welcome to the rocket-fueled future of crypto. So, what does AI do all day? It's a detective, analyst, and fortune teller in one. It analyzes mountains of price data, hunting for patterns you'd never spot. It predicts trends, reading news and social media to gauge market mood. This is sentiment analysis. If everyone's hyped about Dogecoin, AI knows before the price jumps. Most importantly, it manages risk. AI sets stop losses, diversifies your portfolio, and protects you from catastrophic losses. It learns from mistakes, constantly updating its strategy. It's not just following orders, it's evolving with the market. AI is your tireless genius trading partner. It turns chaos into opportunity, every second of every day. In crypto, that's the edge you need. For years, AI trading was VIP only, reserved for hedge funds and banks. Now, AI-powered trading bots are available to everyone. You don't need to code or be a Wall Street pro. Just set your risk and let the bot work. It's democratizing finance, giving regular people access to elite tools. Crypto is confusing and volatile, but AI can guide you through the chaos. Imagine working a long shift while your AI bot scans global markets for you. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about having a tool that works when you can't. AI levels the playing field, giving the little guy a real shot. The barriers are falling. Now anyone can compete in the world's wildest market. The future of finance is open to all. But let's be real. AI trading isn't risk-free. Sometimes even the creators don't know why an AI makes certain decisions. The black box problem. A glitch or bad data can trigger massive losses in seconds. Remember Knight Capital? One bug. $440 million gone in under an hour. In crypto's 24/7 market, a single error can cause a flash crash before anyone can react. AI can misread fake news, panic, and sell everything, leaving you wiped out. The best AIs still belong to the big players, creating a new digital divide. It's a high-tech arms race, and the fastest, smartest bots win. The dream of a level playing field could become a new elite playground. AI is powerful, but power always comes with risks. Don't trust blindly. Know the dangers. So, is AI in crypto trading a friend or foe? The answer? Both. It can make markets smarter and more accessible, but the risks are real and sometimes terrifying. For every winner, there's someone who lost everything to a rogue bot or a market crash. We need transparency. Companies should explain how their AIs work and what the risks are. Circuit breakers and accountability are essential. The future isn't humans versus machines, it's working together, safely. AI can be your co-pilot, but you set the course. We need guardrails to ensure AI builds a fairer financial future, not just a faster casino. The robots are here to stay. It's up to us to write the rules.